Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive into honest, in-depth reviews to help you make the best buying decisions. Today, we're talking about what many pet parents are calling the best dog zymes on the market, Zymox Ear Cleanser with Bioactive Enzymes. If you've ever dealt with a dog that constantly scratches its ears, or if you've noticed a funky smell coming from your pet's ear canal, you know how uncomfortable that can be for them, and stressful for you. But not all ear cleaners are created equal. Zymox promises a gentle yet effective clean, without the harsh chemicals or unnecessary medications. So, what makes it stand out? Let's start with what it is. Zymox Ear Cleanser is a 4 ounces liquid solution formulated specifically for routine ear cleaning in dogs and cats. It's from Pet King Brands, a trusted name in veterinary dermatology. What's important here is that it contains no hydrocortisone, making it a safer choice for regular maintenance. Especially if your pet is prone to irritation or if you're using it alongside other treatments. The real magic is in its bioactive enzyme formula. Instead of relying on alcohol or artificial chemicals, Zymox uses a blend of naturally derived enzymes. These enzymes work to gently break down dirt, wax, and debris that can accumulate in your pet's ears. The result? A cleaner, fresher ear canal without drying out the skin or causing redness. Now let's talk about usage. The brand recommends using it 1 to 2 times a week for best results. Simply apply liberally to the ear canal, massage gently at the base of the ear, and wipe away the excess. That's it. No rinsing, no mess. And most importantly, no resistance from your pet, because the formula is non-stinging and unflavored. It's designed to be as stress-free as possible for both of you. This 4-ounce bottle goes a long way too. Unless you're using it on a large breed or multiple pets, one bottle should last you a couple of months, even with regular use. It's also suitable for adult dogs and cats, making it a great option for multi-pet households. Another reason people are gravitating toward this product is its versatility. Whether your pet swims often, has naturally floppy ears, or just seems to get dirty easily, Zymox is ideal for keeping things under control between vet visits. While it doesn't contain any medication to treat infections, it's the perfect way to prevent them by maintaining ear hygiene and stopping buildup before it becomes a bigger issue. As for design, the packaging is straightforward. A simple squeeze bottle that's easy to handle even when your dog is squirming a bit. It's leak resistant and seals tightly, so you can toss it in your pet travel bag without worrying. So, is Zymox Ear Cleanser worth it? If your pet suffers from dirty, smelly ears or you just want to stay ahead of ear health, this cleanser is a fantastic preventive solution. It's safe, enzyme-powered, and user-friendly. That's why we're happy to label it as one of the best dog zymes available today. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description below. Let us know in the comments if you've tried Zymox and how it worked for your pets. And don't forget to subscribe for more product deep dives right here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and give your furry friend some ear scratches from us. See you in the next one.